Are you running out of laptop storage? You definitely need to see this. Step 1. Back up your data. Use an external drive or cloud to save everything important. Step 2. Grab your tools. You'll need a screwdriver and a 512GB SSD. Step 3. Open the back panel. Carefully unscrew and remove the laptop's bottom cover. Step 5. Locate the current SSD. It's usually held with a single screw. Unscrew and slide it out. Step 6. Install the new 512GB SSD. Slide it into the same slot and screw it in place. Step 7. Reassemble your laptop. Screw everything back and close the back panel. Step 8. Install Windows or clone your old drive. You can boot from USB or use a cloning tool. Step 9. Done. Enjoy faster speed and double the space. Double the storage, double the performance. Now it's your turn. Like, share, and follow Tesla Laptops for more tech tips.